Papaya leaf remedies for diabetes. Papaya leaves help in enhancing insulin sensitivity. It decreases the enzyme levels of ALT and AST, the biomarkers of type 2 diabetes, for improving insulin sensitivity so that cells can efficiently take up the glucose. Not only this, papaya leaves also reduce the chances of complications that may follow diabetes such as fatty liver, kidney damage and oxidative stress. There is one more benefit: it helps diabetics heal their wounds faster because of its antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Japanese, Australian and many other traditional medicines use papaya leaves for curing diabetes. Make papaya leaves tea for diabetes. Get this: papaya leaves 10. Water 8 cups. Do this: add papaya leaves to water. Boil the water till it is reduced to half of its quantity, about 4 cups. Let it cool down. Have this in small doses throughout the day. This detoxifying tea is good for your overall health too, as it cures indigestion and boosts your immunity too. Click the link in description below this video to get exactly how to reverse diabetes type 2.